Hello everyone, we are 3D Future and we develop various educational VR/AR content. We present to you two devices, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G and the Nreal AR glasses. So, the Note 20 is actually the world's first device to power this AR glass. And today we'll be unboxing the Nreal glasses and we're going to show you how to pair the Nreal glasses and the Note 20. So let's get started. So in here we have the Nreal box. And if we flip it to the back, we see this very nice shiny Nreal Lite model. And to the side we have basically the specification. And on this side is just the model. So now, onto the real thing here. You see the case that has the AR glasses in it. But we will save this up to the very last. For now, we'll just put it right here and we'll show you the secondary content in this box. In this box, we do have a little packet that should contain the instruction manuals and stickers and all this stuff. So here we are, we have the Unreal sticker, the customer service manual, and other various quick start guide. And I'm not sure what this is. This is probably the QR code for the app, or on the Google Play, or on whatever app store you go on. And we have the micro wipe to basically wipe your glasses. Further inside this content, we're going to see in this box the nose pads that comes with various sizes. This is tailored to different types of noses, mostly for comfort. And here we do have the glasses cover, basically the nose holder right here. And now on to the main attraction, which is the AR glasses. So we have this nice, really well made case, the big logo on top. And as we open it, we will see the glasses that contains in it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. The Nreal glass. So you can see here there are two cameras for tracking. Not quite sure what this is, but this might be for other types of tracking. And as we open up the glasses, we see it does feel incredibly light, extremely light, pretty impressive. So on the side, we do have more of the specification. And on the back, we see where you would be looking through to see the AR display. At the ends of the glasses, we do have the USB-C cable, which we'll be using the Note 20 to pair with the glasses. So pairing is extremely simple. All you gotta do is put the cable into the phone. And then the phone will automatically detect that this is the Nebula app, which then will lead you to the quick and easy setup. We'll be showing you next on how we're going to use the phone to make for development and how to actually utilize the contents of this AR glasses. So thank you for watching.